Hello guys, good evening. I'm here again. I'm back again guys. I'm back because I want to talk with you about Psalm 91, the importance of Psalm 91. I will share it with you. My experience of Psalm 91 guys is very beautiful guys. And Psalm 91, that is the Psalm who saved me from anxiety, panic attack, and depressions. That is why this is my favorite psalm that I read every day, and sometimes when I like it to read. This is this is the psalms who saved me the most from the dangers that I experience from depression, anxiety, and panic attack. So, guys, when you read each sentence of Psalm 91, you can feel the safety. You can feel the love of Jesus. You can feel the protections of Jesus to you against dangers. Because guys, at that time guys, on my depression and anxiety, when I was very near guys to finish my medications, and when I was in near guys to plan to plan to go back to a normal life after that depression and anxiety and panic attack that I experienced guys, I try to read the Psalm 91 so that I will not fear anymore, so that I will not feel the danger of anxiety and panic attack and depressions. I read it guys. When I read it guys, I feel safety. I feel the protections of Jesus, and I feel guys that no more dangers in my life that happened. I didn't feel any more anxiety, panic attack, and anxiety. So at the time of my experience of panic attack and anxiety and depressions guys, it's very painful and very horrible experience at that time. When I read the Psalm 91 guys, very perfect. I experienced total healing, total complete healing guys, because I feel the protections of Jesus to me. I feel His presence. He protects me from danger. So this is my short experience guys, but I can talk to you guys in a later days about my experience guys, about my depression, panic attack, and anxiety. I will share it to you in a later days guys, because I will find time guys to talk it with you in a very long conversation, or in a very long talk. So this is a short talk guys. Thank you.